So there is an amazing tech trend that is going nowadays in the market, that is artificial intelligence. And if you are a college student who is interested in coding and who thinks that artificial intelligence on machine learning is something that he finds very fascinating, you can say, and you are waiting that someone comes and tell you, okay, just tell me a roadmap so that I can start learning about machine learning at least, so that I can make my career in that. Then don't worry, this video is going to solve all your problems related to how to learn machine learning from scratch. So hey guys, this is Rahul here, and in today's video we are going to talk about an end-to-end clear-cut overview that you should be following so that you can start your career in machine learning or artificial intelligence. So as every grand step starts with a basic one, so same is the case in your machine learning journey. Okay, so the very first step that comes into picture while learning machine learning is learning about the basics. Why basics? Because basics are the things that will help you to keep your knowledge crystal clear so that you will be learning concepts very nicely. Okay, so the first thing, the basic concepts that comes in my mind about learning machine learning are linear algebra, statistics and probability. So these are the basic mathematical concepts. You would find videos regarding that on YouTube very easily about the basics related to machine learning. Or if you want that, I should tell you resources. So few resources, like there is a course of statistics 110 by Harvard University on YouTube that is completely free. So you can go on YouTube and search that course. That is quite an amazing course. I have viewed that, and that is really amazing, means by a course by Harvard University, and that was free on YouTube. I mean, what a jam course. So just go on and start learning concepts related to machine learning from that video, or any video of your choice that you find suitable, or just go on Google, type the basics related to machine learning, the basic mathematics related to machine learning. You will find a hell lot of blogs, you will find a hell lot of content over there also. So you can learn from anywhere. Knowledge is everywhere, and that too for free on internet. Yeah. So just go on and first learn the basics related to machine learning. So step number 2, after learning the basics, you have learned a decent level of mathematics like probability and statistics or linear algebra, you can say. And after that, we would come on to the part of programming. So programming is something that is very interesting, and you can choose a good programming language of your choice. In machine learning specifically, the Python programming language is preferred, and you know why. It is quite simple, just like English sentences, it is that much simple, and it has huge libraries that can help you writing code very easily. So it makes your task very much easier as compared to any other programming language that is present currently. And there are few languages like R language as well, people code in that as well. So it depends on your interest, and if you have any background from any other language, then you can continue in that. But most preferably, you should be doing your machine learning course in Python only. So again, you would find a lot of videos on YouTube for free related to Python in machine learning. So I am not telling a specific resource, that completely depends on your interest. But what I am saying is just don't forget to explore the libraries such as Matplotlib, NumPy, scikit-learn. These are the basic libraries that you should be knowing for your basic implementation of your projects. These libraries are a must, because when I was in the second year, means I am also a student of artificial intelligence and machine learning. I have specialization in that. So I also learned in the same way. That's why I am telling you the same way, so that you can learn in a shorter duration of time, right? So let's quickly jump to the step number 3. So with a solid foundation, now it's time to explore the concepts of machine learning, right? So with your knowledge of Python and mathematics, now it's time for you to learn the machine learning concepts of like classification, regression, what actually the clustering is, how to train models, how actually these things work. So you should try to read the documentations. There are a lot of documentation related to machine learning, or you can go on any other website that you prefer for yourself, and you can read documentation from there, or you can follow any particular tutorial or a course from Udemy, you can say. So it completely depends on your interest. So just after learning mathematics, basic programming language, then you should be following about how to learn the concepts of machine learning like clustering, classification, regression and any other concept. So just go on and start learning about these concepts first. So after having a decent knowledge regarding the concepts of machine learning, it's time for you to implement. So the step number 4 involves your implementation part. So if you are into machine learning, then you must have heard about this popular website known as Kaggle. So you should pick any data set from there and start practicing and start building models with the help of your machine learning, so that you can get a hands-on experience along with the theoretical concepts. Okay, and along with that, I would suggest you to go hand in hand with the concepts like natural language processing and computer vision, because these are the things that will come in the advanced level of your projects. Because various machine learning models, like you can take the example of ChatGPT, it uses the natural language processing to understand the language of humans. Okay, so these concepts like NLP and computer vision, these are also important. So along with building the projects, you should also learn these concepts side by side. So tip number 5 and the most important step is involving into the community and learning in public. So just go on Twitter, create your account if you haven't, start posting your progress from the day one, so that when you reaches up to a final level, when you reaches up to a good level within 100 days or 150 days, you can say, it depends completely on your hard work and the time you dedicate to. And with the help of that, when you will reach to that level, then you would have a lot of resources to share to people and to show to someone, so that you can crack a decent internship in that. Means, what is the use of learning a skill if you can't earn money from that, right? So just start learning in public, and along with that, you can follow the top AI researchers, the top persons who contribute to AI, specifically on Twitter, because Twitter is the place for artificial intelligence, we can say, because most of the founders of big tech companies that are related to AI are on Twitter. Okay, so just go on, you can follow those pages so that you can stay updated regarding any kind of technology that is coming. So at last, I would like to give you a summary of what actually the 5 steps involve. Number 1, learn the basics, that is basic mathematics, you can say probability, statistics, linear algebra, related to these, all these related steps that are related to machine learning. So first, learn the basics. Step number 2, a good programming language, most preferably Python. Step number 3, diving into the concepts of machine learning, like what is reinforcement learning, what is deep learning, what are the concepts of machine learning, like clustering, linear regression, classification, logistic regression, etc. So you should be knowing about these concepts and also their application part, and that is super important and that is super cool. So just go on and learn about that. And step number 4 is building projects with the help of your knowledge, and they should be your own project. And step number 5, you should be sharing your progress on any social media platform of your interest, and you should be following good pages related to artificial intelligence, so that you can stay updated about what is happening in the world. So that was a short video from my side for you, so that you can start your career in machine learning. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, then you can comment down and ask your doubt, and I hope you find this video helpful. If yes, then don't forget to drop a like, and you can follow me on socials as well, and I will be catching you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.